Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the upper dipper in your Tata Punch. To activate your vehicle's high beams, first ensure your headlights are already on, set to either the low beam or automatic mode. Locate the turn signal stalk, which is the lever positioned on the left side of your steering wheel. Simply push this stalk away from you, towards the dashboard, to engage the brighter, more powerful upper dipper headlamps, providing you with enhanced visibility on dark roads. When your high beams are active, a distinct blue indicator light will illuminate on your instrument cluster, clearly showing they are on. It is crucial to use your high beams responsibly, only on unlit roads or highways when there is absolutely no oncoming traffic in sight. Always dim your lights by switching back to low beams for approaching vehicles or when you are closely following another car, maintaining courtesy and safety. You can also use the upper dipper to briefly flash your high beams. To do this, simply pull the turn signal stalk towards you, back to your steering wheel, and then release it. This momentary flash works even if your main headlights are off, which is perfect for signaling other drivers or briefly illuminating a hazard. To turn off continuous high beams, pull the stalk towards you again, returning it to its original position. For optimal safety, avoid using high beams in adverse weather conditions like heavy fog, torrential rain, or significant snowfall, as the light can reflect back, actually reducing your visibility. It is also a good practice to regularly check your headlight alignment to ensure your beams are directed correctly, not blinding others. Always prioritize safety and courtesy, ensuring you dim your lights well before an oncoming vehicle is within 25 meters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.